Hi, this is Master Ken. Now, how to calculate the off day, the overtime pay on off day for a pharmacist in Malaysia. So, there's a pharmacist, the basic salary is 4,300, and he or she works 9 hours a day from Monday to Friday, and the Saturday is an off day, and the pharmacist will rest on Sunday, so 1 day rest. So how many number of days that the pharmacy work for the last month till now? So during the accounting period, it's 20 days. But how do we calculate that 20 days? Now Microsoft has a very powerful tools. It's called net workdays. Net workdays. It is to get the number of whole working days between the start date and the end date, and this is the syntax. Now the working days exclude weekends. The Saturday and Sunday is not counted, and if you provide the holidays, it's also not counted. So Microsoft says that the network days is to calculate employee benefits. Exactly. This is a good case study on how to calculate that. And you just plug in the value as you get the net workdays is 20. Now, this company also says that their accounting period is from 26th of the month and until the 25th of the next month. So what is the function that you can easily calculate? Let's say here I change it to I say it's a 7. Okay, so on the 7, and it becomes, see that it will automatic goes to 25. So what's the function? And we will know that on that period there are 23 working days. So what is the function? That function is, before that, let's talk about how to calculate the work, the hour rate. Well, which is the how do you calculate overtime rate? Well, that is that you use this basic salary, divide the number of days of the period, and divide by the hours per day, 9 hours, and then you will get a figure, and you want to do a ceiling. If you want to do a ceiling, if you don't want to do a ceiling, you can also. So which give you this 23. Not much different, yeah. And then, and the person works 7 hours on the off day rather than the 9 hours. So on the off day, on the Saturday, you need to times 1.5 because it's the off day according to Malaysia law. So that goes to additional of that week 250 ringgit. So add up together, the person will have 4,550 something. And that is how you calculate the off day, the overtime pay on the off day for pharmacists. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia.